We need to make a sale today. We need to get one job.
You guys haven't noticed any paranormal activity in the area?
Yeah, right here.
Is it always freezing cold in this chair?
The ghosts inside the place.
Yeah.
Let's do Halloween.
All right, well, it's your funeral. I sold my truck.
I gotta put a down payment on a bungalow.
And we'll let you know the history of the spirit, what brought them in, what they're trying to tell you.
$150 a month?
I have to talk to Kim.
You know what, I'm getting sick of this man.
Look, we're gonna get a sale, okay? You can't just walk away. Hanif, we're gonna make a sale.
So last episode, things didn't go too well. But Hanif and I have both agreed to give things another shot and try to make a sale. I can't do this alone.
Hi there. We're just surveying the area, seeing if you've noticed any paranormal activity. Especially with the animals here.
At night, you've never experienced any sort of disturbance. We connect with the animal spirits. We talk to them. We try and understand what happened.
You'll notice, if we came in and we did our thing and we connected to the animals, these birds would be so relaxed they would even stop tweeting. It would be completely quiet in here, which is probably what you've always wanted.
No, not really. Bird make noise. The bird always make noise. If the bird is not making noise, that means bird is sick.
If you'd be willing, 3 installments of, what could we do, the animal discount?
I think $295 probably.
$295,
Yeah.
3 installments of $295 to come in here, find what this bird and that bird and that bird is going nuts about, and clean the place out of spirits. Does that sound like a good price?
I'm not even thinking about price. I don't see anything that unusual.
Judging by what the bird's saying right now, I think all signs are pointing, to, was that a...
What was that?
Bird.
That wasn't a bird, I don't think.
What's a bird?
I didn't finish my bird communication course, but I definitely heard something coming out of that bird.
I almost just heard that say ghost. Do you believe in ghosts?
I do.
Okay, good. Step 1 complete. Now step 2, let's see if we can find something.
Once we got closer, it was way worse than we thought.
Ow, a bird bit me. And it's a spirit bird, it's not a real bird. Ah, it's loud, they're in my head!
Hanif and I reconvened to discuss.
The animals are literally saying, they're calling out, there's a spirit. What are we gonna do? And he thinks that chirping is normal.
Right.
So, final word, do you think you'd want to use our services?
No interest at all. $50.
Not about
Okay.
the money.
Another non-believer. You told me this was gonna work, man.
This is really f***ing humiliating. I'm starting to think that this was a dumb idea from the start.
Okay, you know what? Let's start fresh. This is the spot. We're gonna make a sale. We're gonna do it.
What's the point, dude?
Just try, okay? Just believe.
Whatever.
Come on.
Yo, love!
Hi there. We're with the Ghost Connectors Sci-Fi Television Network. We're just wondering if you had any paranormal activity happening. This is Hanif, and we're basically trying to sell packages to people that have ghosts. Would you be interested at all? Okay, well, Hanif, do you want to say anything to try to...
Yeah, I think we're good here. Sounds like we're good. He said, he's not
Well, you're
interested.
not even
Let's just
trying.
get out.
They'll be interested, just try.
No, he doesn't care, man. He said he doesn't care.
It would just be a package, like a once a month, $100 a month type thing.
Do you care? Do you care? You don't care about this, right? You don't care about this. He doesn't care about this. Let's get out of here, all right?
Okay, don't... I'm sorry, I'm really sorry about him. Hanif! Hanif! Hanif!
I'm f***ing done, dude. I'm f***ing done. I'm done with this shit, all right? It's over.
What happened to you believing in us?
I sold my f***ing truck, dude. I have nothing left, all right? I'm f***ing done.
Don't walk away!
I can't do this alone.
I thought I might find you here.
Gotta pay the bill somehow.
Look, so what we didn't make a sale, okay? We still have time. You're the one who told me to never give up on this.
People change.
Well, let me know if you change back. Because at 1 p.m. today, I'm gonna be at Town Square, raising money for us. And I hope you join me.
So here goes nothing. I'm off to Town Square. Alone.
If you want to come over here, fill out some forms, let us know about the spirits you're seeing. Young man in the hoodie, come over here and fill out a form. Ghost connection quote. That's a no? Free ghost connection quotes, guys. Free quotes if you guys come fill out a form here. Are you interested in a quote from me? Hell no. Ghost connection quote?
I can't do this alone. I give up.
Room for one more, brother?
I knew you'd show up.
Can't believe I was gonna leave my guy out there alone. I f***ed up. Now I'm gonna make it right.
Let's f***ing do this. Free quotes, ghost connectors! Free quotes! Free quotes, ghost connectors! Free quotes!
Looks like I got my partner back.
Ghost connectors, free quotes!
Clean your place out.
Sign up right here!
Sci-Fi TV.
Ghost connectors, free quotes!
Free quotes!
Sign your name on the dotted line!
Ghost connectors!
And that's when everything changed. We started to make deals left, right, and center.
You believe in ghosts then?
100%.
Are you interested in signing up with us?
Hell yeah. Sign right up, Chief.
1, 2, 3, ghost connectors!
Single file, please.
We'll get to all you guys, don't worry. We'll get you guys all a quote, okay?
Looks like I'm gonna get my truck back.
Woo! Making deals.